Hey everybody, my name is Jessie from Eden Street Soap Company and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn something a little bit different. It's how to use a Pringles can as a round soap mold. Before we get started with the video, I just want to thank all of my current subscribers. You guys are the backbone of this channel and I really appreciate everyone. And to anyone who's new here, if you like it, give us a thumbs up, or I'd love to have you join the Soapy family. You can hit that subscribe button and I will send you videos. All right, let's get started. So once you've washed, dried, and let your Pringles can sit out so it's like thoroughly dry, you're going to take off the top edge by using a can opener. If you don't have a can opener, you can use a knife. I just did this method because I thought it left a cleaner edge. So the way we lined this soap mold is by taking freezer paper and rolling the can in it, cutting it and making sure it's just overlapping a little bit, and then you can roll it up and stick it in the can. Just make sure the glossy side is up. So I took the extra freezer paper and I traced around the cap, and that gave me a perfect circle that I could cut out and use inside the lid. I thought that was the easiest way. The other way you can do it is by tracing the actual outside of the Pringles can. That works too. So I kept it really easy. I just taped the cap onto the Pringles, to the bottom of the Pringles can, and left it alone. If you wanted to kind of have a clean edge and didn't want that excess paper sticking out the top, you can cut it into 4 different sections and fold each section down and tape it. That works fine. I always cut off my ends, so I thought it didn't really matter what the ends look like to me. All right, time to make this soap. So I have the soap calc notes and the recipe here. It should be in pounds, ounces, and grams for anybody who is curious on how to make this. And if this is too hard to read, I know it's kind of intimidating for new soapers, I'll have an easier recipe that's a little easier to read down in the description, okay? Along with anything that I think you might like from Amazon. I got that down there too. And yeah, if you like it, you can buy stuff. If not, you know, you can just watch the video or give me a thumbs up. I like all of it. Anyway, so yeah, here's the recipe. Alright, so that was about it. That was my informative video on how to make round soap using a Pringles can mold. And you can make a mold out of just about anything as long as it's not aluminum, because aluminum messes with your soap. But yeah, if you have any requests down below, leave a comment. Check out the description box for the recipe, or anything you might need in this video. I'll have the links down in the description. Yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you like what you saw here, subscribe. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it. And if you have any family or friends that like to learn about soap and bath bombs and everything, I know I do a lot of soap. I really like soap. But yeah, leave a comment below, and thanks so much. Bye.